Audi has revealed the 4th generation Sportback with a dramatic overhaul inside and a mild hybrid powertrain for the first time. The tried and tested styling of Audi's best-selling model in Europe remains, although the company has tried to make it look sportier to address the absence of a 3-door model, which was culled during the previous generation. Also, the Audi's new has a nearly identical footprint to its predecessor at 4.34 meters long and 1.43 meters high, but is 3 centimeters wider at 1.82 meters, giving more elbow and shoulder room for passengers. 1.5-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol unit and a 2.0-liter diesel with 116 horsepower. This will be followed by a 109 horsepower 1.0-liter 3-cylinder TFSI unit and a 48 volts mild hybrid version of the 1.5 TFSI engine. This will mark the first time the has been offered as a mild hybrid, although a petrol-electric plug-in hybrid entered production in 2014. For those familiar with the A3, the interior is most noticeably changed. The car gets Audi's 10.25-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster along with a new 10.1-inch infotainment display. The climate control unit is also new and replaces the rotary dials and buttons from its predecessor. Digital features include up to 6 user profiles, a Wi-Fi hotspot, handwriting recognition, improved natural voice control, and the inclusion of Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, in addition to Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. Audi promises that the new A3 offers better comfort and dynamic properties than its predecessor in all of its forms, but particularly when aided by optional adaptive damper control, progressive steering, and 4 driving modes. So, these were the cool features of Audi A3 Sportback. If you liked the video, then make sure to subscribe the channel, MotorGears, and also press the bell to get always updated. Till then, stay tuned.